Yeah. It's pretty. I've laid everything out that we're gonna need out of here, except for the mirrors. I'll show you all those here in just a second. Let's see if I can just lay this guy in here. Look at that. It says Polaris on the back. Super excited. Those are gonna look awesome. Anyway, not even sure that this is a center punch, but it's short, and that's what I used this morning. It really didn't take a whole lot to make the indent. This is what I was talking about here, these guides. So it's got these cute crosshairs here, so you know where center is. Even if you cut them out, they still got lines. Just make sure you're centered. Came with everything it needed hardware wise. It seems like it all matches up. We're not missing nothing. So we're gonna need a couple different bits. Half, which is kind of alarming. We'll get there. And I believe this one was the 8th. Mid-size models will also need 11/32. This one's a little silly. Supposed to line up with the start of this painted part of the door. See how it wraps around there? Kind of matches all the curves here. It's pretty slick. Confusing part is it looks like the directions have theirs all the way back here, but yet it's still lined up with an edge piece. So considering the other side worked so well, not bringing it all the way over there, you'll see that. Probably standing right in the way. I want to stick it all. I don't know what he's doing in life, but I gotta just quit. All right, get this side taped. Do a different one on that side. I don't know, didn't have its coffee this morning maybe? I mean, I'm only on 1 cup, so it's probably a miracle that we're even getting this to work right now. All right, punch, yes. How are we gonna do this? A left hand stupid again. See, if you leave it in here, like, they got like a little X that's kind of visible that you can line up with. Just like that. Wire brush. Look at us go this morning. Take the tape off. Now it's time to drill. Kind of a little goofy. Oh, y'all can't even see that. Hold on now. Come on. Let's go down inside of here. See that? Oh, okay. Once you get this perfect, you kind of have like to press this guy in here. See how the paper kind of comes up? Probably to match, I don't know, the other models probably, but it does have the window curve. Bottom of the line matches up too. And then obviously we need the center punch, which I left on the bench. Hold on. Punch. I know. Don't bother me with what I'm using. Line those up between your crosshairs. There we go. When I said it does not take a lot of force, I'm serious. That's why this thing. There you go. What you doing? Take the tape off. I like this painter's tape. Scotch seems to leave like a weird stickiness, so I won't mess with that one no more. Come on out here. Well, Here goes nothing, I suppose. Really doesn't take a lot of pressure either. All right, centered on your guide there. They are very clear about only going through one layer of plastic at a time, just to make sure that you're not going to end up being misaligned. It was really easy, but look, she's got 2 holes now. That's unnerving. All right, you try to keep these things where you're not punching holes in them, but it's gonna be worth it for mirrors, I think. So, pilot holes drilled with the 8. To the instructions, like I'm gonna somehow find that no, I don't have to go up in size. See, this is where this gets confusing. You see that? Yeah, so as you're reading through, you're like, huh, all right, did it, whatever. Oh, let me show you the first page. Okay, so like this, right, reading through it, flip it over. Now you just, that's mid-size. You don't need those, unless you have a mid-size, obviously. And then full size over here. So ignore this. If you got one, you know, 4-door model, large, whatever, this is what you need. But do you see right there? It says a 1/2 inch. I mean, that's a significant hole to just drill in this thing. Chicken, huh? I even looked at it like this. I mean, it seems like probably it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine, for sure. I bitched out, so moving up in size just was not for me yet. Besides that, we've got an inside that needs its pilot holes too. So I know I'm gonna have to use it anyway and make the bigger holes, but I'm just not there yet. So pilot holes on the inside before that. Just prolonging the inevitable, but I mean, at the same time, like, those are some pretty decent sized holes that I'm just drilling into this thing anyway. All right, I think this one's gonna be slightly different to like center up. All right, can y'all see those? Hold on, let me see if I can rearrange you. There they are. Look at that. We're gonna follow the directions, because we don't need no hope loss. Hope loss? Yeah, that's what I meant. All right, well, God is in. God is kind of in. Like, how you supposed to? Instructions say put these spacers in here. However, I'm kind of afraid the spacer will, well, that's a tight fit. The spacer will just fall. And I really don't want that to happen. So I put the bolt in it. So we're not going to lose it. Just to make sure. Like, it ain't going to just fall in some door hole, never to be seen again. I need a mallet. I think I need a mallet. Mallet acquired. Just gonna kind of. Anybody else have a left hand that's stupid? You just have one hand that's just stupid. I don't want to lose that in the door. I really don't know if it can fall down there, but I'm trying to find out. I really don't. Don't want to find out, and I don't want them to fall if they could. I'm gonna get smart about this. See this guy? we're just gonna go on and put him on there. Y'all back outside the ring. Remember this guy? Yeah. Goes one in here from this side. I was looking at that while I was tying them up, and I was like, well, that's kind of ugly on the inside. That's better. I mean, that's way better. Touch. There we go. Like, myself. Maybe upside down. See, we're learning together, guys. All right. Here we go. Upside down. So, slides right into there. She's holding anyway. Let's find out what size we need here. Ah. Did you see that? That one wasn't started. In case anybody was wondering, that one did not grip. Here I was all excited. Picked out the right size first time. See, now I'm back to the left hand being stupid, and I gotta try to get this thing to behave. All right, well, left hand's not doing too bad today. She is gonna drop stuff apparently. I mean, how does that look? How does it look over there? You see that? How's that look? Got little ears now. Got you spun around. Heck yeah, I have some mirrors. That'll work. Yeah, I like it. Cleaner, huh? P.S. I didn't go jacking all that up. They kind of came in a pack together, just kind of jammed up there. So if you're worried about like it looking all beautiful and whatever, you might want to spray them when they come in. They kind of rattle around in there against each other and get scratched up, but I ain't worried about it. She's done. Again, both sides in place. We're gonna see where both sit. Hold on, let's spin over. There she is. Yes, I like them.